Leopards. Leopards, 1869 to 1940, was an Austrian painter and illustrator whose artistic journey was marked by versatility, innovation, and adaptability over the course of his career. Woods traversed several artistic movements and mediums, emerging as a significant figure in European art at the turn of 20th century. His contribution to painting and illustration, especially his portrayal of women and nature, reflect a unique blend of naturalism, impressionism, and modernism. Putz was born on 18 June 1869 in a small town in the Austrian Empire. His early interest in art was nurtured by his father, who encouraged him to pursue painting. In 1889, at the age of 20, Putz began his formal artistic training at the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich, one of the leading art schools in Europe at the time. Munich, a bustling hub of artistic activity, provided him with a broad exposure to different styles and ideas. He continued his education in Paris at the Académie Julian, where he was exposed to the works of the French Impressionists and other contemporary art movements that would later influence his work. Woods was particularly inspired by the works of Edvard Munch and Pierre Auguste Renoir, whose vibrant colors and attention to light would leave a lasting imprint on his style. Leopold's early works was regularly influenced by naturalism, a style that emphasized a realistic and detailed depiction of the natural world. His early portraits and landscapes are marked by Price's attention to detail and the often drew inspiration from the lush countryside of Bavaria. However, he did not confine himself to the rigid realism of naturalism for long. In the 1920s, Ford began to travel extensively, especially to South America, where he lived for several years in Argentina and Brazil. This exposure to new landscapes and cultures broadened his artistic horizons. His later works reflect a more modernist approach with a strong emphasis on abstraction and bold color contrast. However, the natural world and the female figure remain central themes in his work even as his style evolved. Port's later years were marked by the rise of political instability in Europe, and like many artists of his generation, his work was affected by the turbulent events of the early 20th century. In 1933, the Nazi regime in Germany branded his work as dangerous and was banned from exhibiting his art. Putz spent his remaining years in exile, continuing to paint until his death in 1940.